Have you ever received a shiny new debit card in the mail and wondered, now what? Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of Starling Bank and show you exactly how to activate your brand new card. Starling Bank is a digital bank that's gaining popularity for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. One of the first steps you'll need to take after receiving your card is to activate it. This ensures that your card is ready to use for your transactions. Step-by-step guide. Check your email. The first thing you'll want to do is check your email for a confirmation email from Starling Bank. This email will contain important information about your card, including its PIN. Download the Starling app. To activate your card, you'll need to download the Starling Bank app on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Log into the app. Once you've downloaded the app, log in using your Starling Bank credentials. Find the card activation option. Look for a section or tab labeled card activation or something similar. This is where you'll initiate the activation process. Enter your card details. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. This usually includes your card number and the last 4 digits of your PIN. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the remaining steps. You might need to confirm your identity or provide additional information. Complete the activation. After you've entered the required details and confirmed your identity, the app will process your activation request. Verify activation. Once the activation is complete, you should receive a notification or confirmation message within the app. Additional tips. Keep your PIN secure. Never share your PIN with anyone. It's your personal secret. Check your card balance. After activating your card, check your balance to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Test the card. To make sure your card is working, try making a small transaction, such as buying a coffee. Activating your Starling Bank card is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you'll be ready to start using your card for your everyday transactions. Have you activated your Starling Bank card yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Download the app and get started today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.